be arriving
Set to
at our destination
medium,
shortly.
lock star, no
If you're
blue,
making a
set for
connecting
landing.
flight, please see the customer service agent meeting this flight, or the video monitors inside the terminal for connecting gate information. For your continued safety, flight attendants will now walk through the cabin to secure it for landing. We'll collect any off-service items, newspapers and any other items that you wish to discard or may not be taken off the aircraft with you. Also, in preparation for landing, please turn off all electronic devices. Stow these devices within all other carry-on items. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins, as items may have shifted during our flight. Please stow your tray tables and return your seats to their upright position and check the security of your seatbelt. We'll be landing shortly. Thank you.
On-demand biz.
Landing manual. Okay, landing manual visual. Runway lights.
Minimum.
Landing.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20.
Bouncy, bouncy. No need for that. Just trust the retard.
Speed breakup. Reverse thrust avoid. 70 knots.
Out of reverse.
Okay, beginning flow. Out of reverse.
Clean up flow.
After landing flow, auto brake is set to off. A PU. Armed. Spoilers disarmed. Slats retracted. Transponder standby. Engine anti-ice. 1, 2 selected. Off. Wing anti-ice. Off. Landing lights. Turned off. Strobe lights. Switched off. Turn off lights. On. After landing procedures complete, Captain.
Thanks. Thanks.
Until the aircraft is reached
Always
its parking
your
position
trustworthy
and the seatbelt
assistant.
sign have been switched off. Please continue to observe the non-smoking sign. On behalf of our airline, we would like to say goodbye to you now. It was a pleasure having you as our guests, and we look forward to welcome you on one of our aircrafts again. Thank you and goodbye.
Shut down flow.
Shut down flow. Parking brake set. Taxi lights turned off. Navigation lights switched off. Generator 1 deactivated. A PU generator definitely connected. Shutting down the engine. 1 generator 2 selected. Off. A PU air bleed switched on. Shutting down the engine. 2 fasten seat belt signs turned off. No smoking signs now off. Engine anti-ice 1, 2, selected, off.
Yes, hello?
Wing
Sound the
anti-ice,
slides, please.
turned
Okay,
off.
thanks.
Done here, Captain. Ready for shutdown check.